Alright, so we've got roughly a 10,000 watt system here. We've got 2 rows of 8 panels on the top and another 2 rows of 8 panels on the bottom. SolarEdge technology, so they actually have DC optimizers under each individual panel to optimize in case there's partial shading. It's also safer because as you're connecting up the panels, you don't have high voltage DC. It's only each optimizer puts out 1 volt DC as a test voltage. So here, as we actually have 2 rows of 5 panels, so there's 10 panels connected up electrically now, and we can go through and check the voltage to verify that we've got everything connected properly. And we do have 10.3 volts, so there we know that we can go ahead and continue putting panels down. So we've got another panel ready to go here. And what's nice about this system is this is a S5 PV kit system. So there's no rails, but we actually have these roof brackets that we can actually stand and work comfortably right here. We can actually work from below the panels, which is really convenient, especially on a steeper slope. Trying to bend over and do the wiring from up above is actually, I don't even know if it would be